Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by setting a practical canvas and toolset so you can work efficiently. Open Krita, create a canvas at 300 dpi for high quality or 72 dpi for screen work. Once done, import or create a concise color palette so you avoid hunting for swatches. Configure a few brush presets, one textured, one soft blend, one hard edge, and test pen pressure in a quick stroke. Make layers now. Base, shading, details. Name and lock them so you won't paint on the wrong layer. You should tackle form and value before fiddling with tiny details. Start by blocking in the silhouette and major shapes with a large textured brush at mid-opacity so you can adjust proportions quickly. Once the blocks read, compress them into clear light and shadow values to define volume. Make selective masks for local adjustments and use layer blending modes like multiply for shadows and overlay for light to keep edits non-destructive. Rotate the canvas. Flip horizontally often and step back to confirm. You finish by concentrating detail where the eye should land and preserving clarity elsewhere. Use small hard brushes to add crisp edges and texture, then soften transitions with low-opacity textured brushes. Make sure to sharpen only focal points so the image reads. Add non-destructive color adjustments, levels, curves, and a gentle saturation layer to unify the palette. When satisfied, save a layered. CRAW and export a PNG or TIFF. If colors look off after export, check your document and export color profile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.